Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to do the worksheet from your workbook, Unit Fractions. Let's do number 1. Which of the shapes are divided into equal parts? Tick them. We will do 2 examples for you and you can do the other one. 1, 2. And also you can do the other one. Number 2. Color 1/2 of each shape. 1/2 means if there's 2 parts, color 1 of it, for example. And you can do the rest. Number 3. Color 1/4 of each shape. So if there's 4 parts, color 1. It's the same thing as number 2. Number 4. Color each shape to show the given fraction. See, all of them are fractions. Unit fractions. We're going to do for you one example. 1/7. There it is. You can do the rest. Let's proceed to number 5. What fractions of each shape is shaded? We're going to do 2 examples for you and you can do the rest. For example, R. How many equal parts are there? There are 6 equal parts. How many shaded parts are there? There is 1 shaded part. 1/6. Unit fraction. What is a unit fraction? Is 1/6. Let's proceed to O. There, how many equal parts are there? There are 10 equal parts. How many shaded parts are there? There is 1 shaded part. So what is a unit fraction? 1/10. Okay. Right. When you're done with all of them, write the letter which matches the answer. So for example, R is 1/6. And 1/6 is there, so R goes there. And O, 1/10 is there, so 1/10, so O is there. Okay, now when you're done with the whole worksheet, thank you and have a nice day. Goodbye.